Since there is a copyright issues, right, I will not be able to do the entire video, but I will play a few of them. In Tamil, I'll choose this Lailama. Only for few seconds I'll play. Let's listen to a Malayalam song. Now let's listen to a Kannada song.
If 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I
Okay, well that's it. Two component speakers, two coaxial speakers, one amp. This is output. If you want to know the full config, just do watch the entire video. One more thing I wanted to show is it can just route all your car information. See here, it can show here. If you come to the information, it will show you how many kilometers you are left for fuel, how many liters you have in your fuel tank, and what is the RPM, and what is the speed, and what is your oil temperature, if it doesn't have any warnings, what's your battery voltage, nowhere. So it will also show the door open also.
The right front door has been opened.
Each and every door it will show you which symbol. Here you can see here, show you once again.
The right front door has been opened.
If you want to know the entire config of this is THA 300 2016. This is a Blaupunkt full kit, even including the wiring also. Blaupunkt ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? Blaupunkt ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? JC ರೋಡ್. Well, boys and girls, welcome back to our channel. As we all know, I have a THA 300 which has got a stock music system in it. It's too much bad, so it's like start of the staggering voices, like the voice is improper from the speakers. The speakers that host that is from the company, which is from the brand OEM itself. So it's already like 2016 and nearly 6-7 years old, right? The speakers have started slightly blabbering. The plan is to get two component speakers, two coaxial speakers, a Blaupunkt amp, and an amp wiring, and an high-low converter. It's high-low converter, 4-channel. It's required for the 4-channel amplifier. I'm very specific with the model. I have sorted out 3 models.
ಫ್ರೇಮು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ವಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಣ್ಣ? 4 ಫ್ರೇಮು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ವಾಸ್ ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
So I've been working on this since a few days, and this is the last set of RCA cable that I was waiting for. To make it a 4-channel, I needed this. Usually when you get the amp wiring, you get only 2 sets that is routed here. When you want to make it as a 4-channel, if you have an amplifier, you need a 4-channel output. Usually the socket that comes with aftermarket displays. This is Blaupunkt's Palm Beach 1000. All the description or more features on this, I'll make a separate video because I don't want to mess up all those things in this video. This is a socket there. So you see there, it is front, it is FR out here, it is been written here, it is FR out here, it is FL out here. So there is only 2 outputs here. There is no 4 outputs there. The other output that comes in via all 4-channel is this. So this is rear minus, you can see that is rear plus, and these 2, it's all written neatly written here. It's rear left is Blaupunkt's high flow converter, which will convert your 4 channel input to your RCA, which is required by the amp. This is a Blaupunkt THA 485 4 channel amp. Here is the RCA cable that comes in with 2 channel only, so that is why I needed that 4 channel RCA. So 4 channel, each speakers will have individual connections to the speakers. So these are the 4 individual speaker connections, 2 front, 2 back, RCA cable. So I need to route this underneath and cleanly tie up. I bought few tags also. These are the tags that I bought, and these are the insulations. Everything is neatly insulated here. You can see this is all the insulation that I've done. So it's all heat sinked neatly so that it doesn't come. All this also I will do, but this is what some temporary connections I think I've joined it up, but I will cleanly do that in a while. I don't want to mess up anything there. All that I need is a neat connection that has to go there. As I said to you, this entire set has costed me around 33,000. It is with the frame. This is actually the CAN bus that will route your engine signals into the aftermarket displays, right? And this is a high flow converter. You want it for 4 channel amps, and to turn on your amps. Even the display can do that, but still to convert into 4 channel, to have it clear audio, no rattling and all those things, you need this 4 channel to be laid. These are the 4 speakers, 2 front and 2 from the back. Whatever came with the wiring set, I have just connected. I have not just bought anything outside that. These are all high gauge Blaupunkt itself speaker cables. All the 4 sides is working now. It's gone there, left hand corner, right hand corner. See the wiring that is done. That's the entire aux required for the music, and this side is a power cord, all tucked, taped and neatly tagged also. I have to lay all those cases out now, whichever I have removed. So put back the seat also, remove the driver seat also. I have to put that back too. And if you still have any doubts, do drop it in the comments that you want. If you do like this video and want to watch more video like this, keep subscribed, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Peace.